You, the health workers, the dedicated civil servants, and the obedient citizens are our heroes. As a country, you have done well. You have fought a good fight. You have shown the world that what other nations can do, Kenya can do better. I would also like to thank His Excellency President Uhuru Kenyatta for mobilizing the nation to stand firm against this pandemic. But there's room for improvement. There's room for more personal responsibility and more cooperation with the government. Fellow Kenyans, every struggle requires that we make sacrifices and forgo the comforts we are used to if we are to win. Freedom fighters endured starvation in the forests, torture in detention camps, indignity in prison to make freedom and Madaraka Day possible. If our parents resorted to excuses, chose the easy life and lamented rather than fight, Madaraka would not have come when it did. Today, more than ever before, we need to embrace the sacrifices of our parents. On this day, under these unique circumstances, let us reflect on patriotism, sacrifice, personal responsibility, dignity of our people, and respect for our nation as the goals in our battle against a disease that is determined to colonize us and turn our lives upside down. These ideals are going to be crucial not only as we battle COVID-19, but also in the gigantic task of reconstructing and rebuilding our nation.